What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh, and I am back after little break. So today I'm gonna give you a short lesson, probably a little bit bigger lesson we will make in next few days. Today we're gonna talk about a word jealous. All right. So how would you say in Punjabi if you have to say jealous? And even how would you use in sentences? Right? If you wanna say this guy is jealous from me, all right. So jealous, I think there's a couple of words Punjabi people use, and it depends on their area. And the most common word for jealous is machana, all right. Machana, or some people say sadna, and some people use khar khana, all right. So machana actual meaning is a burn, all right. When we burn things with fire, that is machana, all right. And same as sarna. Sarna is also mean burn, all right. O ਮੈਥੋਂ ਮੱਚਦਾਗਾ, all right, or o ਮੈਥੋਂ ਸੜਦਾਗਾ, all right. So personally I use ਮੱਚਦਾ, o ਮੈਥੋਂ ਮੱਚਦਾਗਾ. It means he is jealous from me, all right. It doesn't mean he is burn from me, all right. Don't use burn here, because here machna doesn't mean burn. Here it means jealous, all right. Or you can say oh maithon khar khandaga, all right. It also means he is jealous from me. And the word khar, I don't know what it mean. I think definitely there's a mean something about it, but I always listen it as a like a khana, which means jealous. So I never try to find what the actual meaning is car, because like I never heard this word used alone, like it's just car. What the hell is car? I have no idea. But when somebody say oh my to car khanda, it means he is saying like that person is jealous from me, all right. So again, three words I told you: machana, sadna, khare khana. All right, it means jealous. So that's how you can use in sentence the way I told you. So at the end, if you think you are getting the value from this channel and you wanna support it, then you can support it through Patreon. Link is in the description. By the way, if you have a hard time to understand Punjabi pronouns like passive pronouns, active pronouns, and possessive pronouns, then you can get my free ebook. Link is in the description. So at the end, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.